25 inches. You dig? I gotta take it out of here. I gotta take it out of here. Damn. They got the wires over here. Stay tuned, see what this is gonna be, y'all. Watch what I turn this into. I always wanted to do this for at least, 7 years, 8 years, maybe longer. Yeah, long ass time. But let me do it now. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, man. Watch what this be, man. This is something I wanted for a long time, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do the designs on the side. I want to do this a long time, y'all. Build one of these. Who know what this is? Who can guess what I'm finna build? Who can guess? All right, y'all. It's crazy. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add the speakers in there. Add the speakers. I got cup holders, the joystick, 25-inch monitor going there. This one going this is the first one. This is gonna be the first one. It's not gonna be as extravagant as the next one I'm gonna make, but you know, as I go, they're gonna get more detailed into them. So not bad. Here we go with the MB Game Arcade. Oh, this is amazing. We got speakers we got going there. I got these speakers that's gonna go in there. One on each side. It's gonna be Bluetooth. Man, it's gonna be crazy. I'm feeling good about this already. Very good about this. Arcade game, man. It's all this gonna light up here though. That's just a demo I got sitting up there. I gotta make some nameplates. I gotta make 6 of those. I already sold them. Stay tuned. All right, next I'm gonna cut the marquise out, put plexiglass in that. Put the monitor. I'm trying to think so I wrap this in leather. Wrap it in leather. Wrap it in leather. And then put the little characters within the side on the side, but make something like this. And I'm gonna do one with a subwoofer where you can play music too at the same time. Where you can it'll be a jukebox. So it's gonna be like a jukebox slash game arcade, whatever, slash internet. I'm gonna just do a lot of crazy stuff. Some will have different size cup holders. I can't wait the ones that we can make when you can get inside. I'm gonna do the one for the car. That's the one I can't wait to make. You might finna turn this boy to a toy store, man. MB's Toy Store. All right, let's get it.